I have another package, and hopefully this one has turned out better than the last one. This one's from eBay. It was something that I'd watching for a while, and it came down to the last 6 minutes. No one had bid on it. I thought it was a little bit too dear. It got down to the last minute, and you know what happens. I bid on it, and I won it. So let's open it up. I'm just trying to do this so I don't show all the details. Where's my bloody knife gone? And that's not my knife. It's the nail clipper part, so excuse me while I find out what the hell I'm actually doing. So, this looks like it's packaged up pretty well. And my knife is crap. And it's got my name all over it and my address and stuff. So I don't want you really to see. But you can see there, it's a fire engine. Oh my God, Jim. I'm taking over from you, mate. So, this is packaged really well. Let's see if I can get this out without showing my address and everything else. And some of you will know that this is models of Yesteryear Matchbox. And bloody hell, let's just do this. Get that out of the way. This comes across as yellow, but it's actually very, very red and orange. Matchbox models of Yesteryear. Not my style, but it's fire engine series. So, Jim, what am I doing to you? There you might be able to see 1948 Landrover Auxiliary. Rural fire brigades in South Africa and Australia adopted the tough little British four-wheel drive vehicle into a wide variety of fighting units. So, let's see. I'll open this up. So yeah, I'm just like, it's not my usual thing, but it's a Landrover. Oh God, he's packaged this well. I'm going to leave this dude some good feedback. It's 1/43 scale, I think. I thought it was. God, it's packaged well. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Trailer. That is. And like the colour is better than what you're seeing, but oh my God, I love it. Jim, tell me, how old are these? I don't know when these were produced. This is 1993, actually. 1993. Matchbox Collectibles. I don't know whether you've got this, but it's a Landrover, mate, so I had to grab it. So let's try and... I want to pull the trailer off. Hang on. Does the trailer come off? Oh God, I can't bloody see. Anyway, we'll hold it like this. The trailer looks like it's on there pretty. Oh, yeah, I'm too scared to do anything in case I break it. Oh, sorry. I'm just looking. Like, the details are bloody good. Oh, there we go. There we go. Right, I did something. So is that going to focus? Yes. So this is the trailer. LOP 652 with a T on the back. Is that open? No, I didn't think it would. That is solid. That is really solid. Right, it's not going to focus because we all know that's what bloody happens to keg. You bastard of a thing. What's the focus on that? Let me take that out of the way. That out of the way. There we go. Look at that. Can I read that? Can you read that? What's that say? Matchbox? Oh, it's upside down. Of course it would be. I can't bloody read it. Models of yesteryear. Just says Matchbox collectibles made in China. That's cool. It's got rubber tyres. Nice details. Nothing real flash. But still, that is cool. Yeah, the piece de resistance. 1948 Landrover. I'm not sure what that is on the front. Jim, tell me, would that be fire hose reels? Sort of looks like it, doesn't it? Painted grills. Headlights look like they're shiny, but they're sort of not. Spare wheel. It's got the tabs for holding it down. Works a fire service. On the side, got the details on the hinges there. Single little little cab. Oh, yeah, it is. It's right-hand drive. You can just sort of see in there. But there's not much in the way of seats. But then again, in these, there wasn't much in the way of seats at all. They were dead uncomfortable, I can tell you. Here we've got a heap of like controls. Obviously, this was a pump mechanism, and you probably ran hoses out of these into the nearest waterway, I assume. You got the fire hose reel on the back there. You got the ladder on the top, which is, it comes out too, yes. We won't, because I'll break something, because that's just my luck. That's cool. Got the spotlight and a siren. We've got windscreen wipers. Alright, that's pretty cool. I like it. It's the Land Rover. It says it's 143 scale, but damn, it's small. Like, for 143. I don't know how this hooks up exactly. Something like that. So we'll stick it on the turntable. That is pretty cool. I like that. Jim, let me know, like Red Trucks. If you don't know who Jim is, Red Trucks, he is all about fire engines. I don't think this is his sort of deal, but he does like he does like the models of yesteryear. So this could be one that he's already got, but it's a Landrover, and if you know me, Landrover's my thing. I like them. So yeah, it's pretty cool. This mob will be getting good feedback, well packaged, sent quickly. I've had it for a couple of days. Actually, the last one from those pack of arseholes and this one turned up at the same time. But I've had it for 3 or 4 days. This is cool. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. All right, that's all for now. Hooroo!